The question on board is a question from projectile. Projectile is still a topic under motion. Projectile is still motion, but the motion of projectile is not straight. The motion of projectile is curved. It moves in a curved direction, which we say it moves in a parabolic path. Look at the board now. This is the example. This is the movement of projectile. It moves in a curved direction. Okay. We will treat many questions under the projectile question. Okay. So the question number 1 says, an object, it may be a stone or anything, an object is projected at an angle of 60 degrees and an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Determine the time of flight. Then the question says we should take our g, that is acceleration due to gravity, to be 10. Okay, so we will determine the time. The question says we should determine the time of flight. The time of flight is the time it has taken the object which have been propelled, which you have thrown away. The time it has taken it from the point you have thrown it away to the point where it has landed in the same horizontal. For example, if we are here to train the object, to project the object or to throw it away at an angle, that is at the angle between the horizontal and the direction of the object moving, the time it will take this object from here to land here in the same horizontal is what we call the time of flight. So in calculating the time of flight, it has formula. So let's take the formula then begin to calculate it. Okay, follow up. The formula for time of flight is t equals to 2u sine theta all over g. So this t here stands for time of flight. That is what t stands. Then u here stand for the initial velocity, which is 20 meters per second. Then this theta here stand for the angle of projection, like angle between the horizontal and the movement of the object, the angle, which we say is 60 degrees. Then g here is acceleration due to gravity. It is constant. It is 9.8, but approximately is 10. And the question says we should take g to be 10. Now let's fix our values in the formula on the board. Okay. Now calculating for the time of flight, we'll now say 2 times u, which is initial velocity, to be 20, times sine theta, which is 60 degrees, all over 10. Okay, then we now have 2 times 20 times sine 60. When we use our calculator to check sine 60, it is 0.866 all over 10. Then we use our calculator to multiply out. When we multiply out, the answer will be 34.64 all over 10. And when we use our calculator divide, we will get 3.464. Okay, 3.464 seconds. So time of flight will be 3 minutes 3.464 seconds. That will be the time of flight. That is the answer of the question on the board. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay.